MECL itself, we are having huge financial concerns.
Menteri Rong Bak Jela Conrad ke sang mahakar teruk jemang uloong bakjing pelip boarding hapok jela kalong na kadaw kajing don joka election nakta kajing penbiang ru ikikam election para kejo kapor kajing duna boarding habaro kawai keri nalor kiwi pat kidaw ula penpa bakasnam arjar fulai kalong ke basyam Jingeh bhan benta jong baro namar bakjela kala pelong ki election MLA ban omla ban penpia ya kerukam pelip boarding hakisaw hadusan benai kumtala penjurno ya kene tang hakashi benai uloong bakatanat Meghalaya Energy Corporation Limited ru kedan hapling ke Jingeh nak Liang ke Pisa Tyngka bagi sarkar kadang persyang banai ke jengkersan.
This year specifically has been a much more complicated year for us. We had elections, and because of the election procedures, election commission and many other factors, we could not have the kind of scattered load shedding that we normally have. So we used to have 2-3 hours in the month of January, February, March, April, May. So it was staggered out, and therefore we would not see the intensity in one particular month. But this particular year we could not do that, and hence we are seeing the load of all the last 3-4 months in this month of April, half of April, and some part of May. That's number one. Number two, we are also seeing challenges because there is a power issue all throughout the country. We are facing, I think, in some areas it's lesser, some areas it's more, but we are having challenges throughout. And third, of course, MECL itself, we are having huge financial concerns in MECL, and hence as a government, we need to support them to a large extent, which we are supporting. And that's the reason why we've been able to at least maintain things to a certain level. But these challenges are huge, and hence the aspect of reformation within the MECL is also started. In the current situation, the only respite that we will get is once we see some kind of good rainfall that we can get, or once we're able to see that we're able to purchase the power at a slightly more reasonable rate. The rates are very high because of the overall shortage in supply at the national level, also in different grids and different producers. Yes, I understand this is a tough time. Please do bear. It's a challenging time. We are working towards minimizing the discomfort that you're having by managing the timings of the different load sheddings in different areas based on the weather pattern. So we urge citizens to bear with the different challenges that we're facing. And let me also assure the citizens that this may be one of the most difficult times for the power sector. But as we move along, we will see in the coming months and years, the situation will not be as extreme as we are seeing in this month. And we'll see a vast improvement because there's a lot of work that's happening behind the scenes, and we'll see the results of that in the coming days. So post this phase, we don't expect such an extreme phase to come in the future.